How to test a bridge rectifier with a multimeter. Set your multimeter to diode mode. I have my red lead in my right hand. The front of the bridge rectifier is this angle to the left. So I'm going to put my red lead on the far right pin, get a diode reading, 0.5 something. Second pin, 0.5 something. And these are the AC pins. And then on the plus pin, get a double reading. Switch hands. Black lead is now in the right hand, and you get no reading on any pin. And that is considered a good bridge rectifier based on multimeter readings. I hope this helps someone somewhere do something. Have a great day.